Hi everybody, how are you? I'm Vikas again from Vikas Driving School. Today I'm going to show you the basic function of the car. It's very important to know about the basic function of the car before driving a car. And it's called in the driving test, it's called pre-driving check as well. Before starting your driving test, they're going to ask you this function. If you're not going to know about this function, they're not going to start your test. Okay, let's start now. First of all, you need to wear your seat belt. It's very important to wear your seat belt. And after that, you need to know about the basic function, which one I'm going to show. Left indicator. So this is left indicator. So you just need to press up. If you're going to press down, it's a right indicator. If you're going to press up, it's going to be a left indicator. You're going to press down, it's a right indicator. And after that, you need to know about the lights. This there is a little things, so I will show you. If you're going to keep it one more up, this is headlight. So night time, whenever you're going to drive, you need to keep it like this, so the people they can see you and you can see the road clearly as well. And for the high beam, you just need to push back, and this is the high beam. High beam you can use in countryside where there is a no light, so you can use your high beam. But in the normal driving, you're not allowed to use your high beam. If the police is going to see you, they can give you very heavy fine. So make sure always drive in night time on your full beam. Full beam, it's called headlight as well. So in the driving test, sometimes they say low beam, full beam, sometimes they say headlight. So full beam, head, they can say to you anything. And after that, you need to know about the washroom wiper. So this is washroom wiper. Sorry, the water is not coming. I think it's finished, but that's fine. I can show you. You just need to pull your side. So this is washroom wiper. After that, you need to know about the demisters. So this is the front demister. Front demister picture is same like a front mirror, and this is the back demister. Back demister picture is same like a back mirror. So demister, what demister do? Demister is for clearing the steam and fog. When there is a too much steam in the mirror, it's very hard to see, especially in the raining time. Why? Because when we take a breath, by our breathing, the air go to mirrors and it's become fog. It's very hard to see. So for clearing that thing, we need to know about demisters. So front demister, back demister. And these button you can use like if you need a air to your legs, you can move here and to your demister. If you need air to your legs, you can just keep it here. If you need air to your legs and face, you can keep it here. So you can move according to your choice. But this is the front demister. And after that, I'm going to show you about the hazard light. This is the hazard light. Hazard light is emergency light. So always whenever you stuck in something like an emergency, you need to keep your hazard light on and just wait for the help. Suppose somewhere you stuck in an accident, or you don't know where to go, just keep your hazard light on. After that, you need to know about the handbrake. This is the handbrake. Always whenever you're going to park anywhere, you need to keep your handbrake up, so your car will be not move anywhere. So for driving, you need to do handbrake down. Look, this one very little things here. You just need to press it and just push down. And for lifting up, you just need to lift like this. And after that, you need to know about brake and accelerator. It's very important to know about the brake and accelerator, how where your foot should be. Always, especially for the beginner I will mention. So for using brake and accelerator, you need to keep some people they drive with 2 feet, some 2 feet. As this we are driving normally in the Victoria, in Melbourne, Australia, the people they drive automatic car. So they for driving a automatic car, you don't need to use 2 feet. You can drive with only 1 feet. So for this one, so always you need to keep it a little bit. The right hand side there is an accelerator, left hand side there is a brake. Make sure brake and accelerator, they are very sensitive. You need to touch it very gently. You need to keep your foot little bit right hand. You don't need to keep your foot like this side. If you're going to keep too much left, it will be very hard very hard to reach to accelerator. You need to keep your foot a little bit right hand side, so you can easily reach to accelerator. So whenever your car is going to little left and going to shake, you can use brake anytime. So whenever you need accelerator, you can press and you can come back again to brake. So it's very easy to control your car if you going to use this trick. And after that, turning a wheel, as I told you in my earlier video, always you need to keep your hand 9 to 3 o'clock. You need to keep your hand always there. From here you can move full and you will have a full control of the car. Yeah, thank you so much. These are the basic function of the car. It's called pre-driving test as well, and if for driving your car you always need to use this function. Thank you so much for today. I think this video will really help you to learn from the starting. Thank you so much, and see you soon.